Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the formulas in Excel. So I've come up to these dummy numbers, and one of the formulas you have is sum. So let's start with sum. So you should always remember, before writing any formula, you must start writing any formula or a function. It must start with an equal sign. Let's do it in a much simpler way. Let me say, for example, B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9. So here's the sum. The sum of these digits is 200. So another formula is subtraction. We're still going to use this very same digit. As I earlier said, before writing any formula, it must start with an equal sign. So it's going to be B5. So it's going to be B5 minus B6. So for subtraction, you have to start with the bigger digits. No, sorry, it's B9. B9 minus B8 minus B7 minus B6 and minus B5. The difference between all these numbers, if we subtract them, is negative 80. Another formula we also have is its multiplication. We're still going to use these very same numbers. So with multiple, before writing any formula or function, it must start with an equal sign. The product of these numbers is 72 million. So another formula we have, another is division. So another formula we have is average. To find average, you add up the sum of these numbers, then you divide it by the number of the numbers. So that's all I have to this video. Till next time.